Value your time and expertise. Don't be afraid to negotiate fair rates that reflect the quality of your work. Build a solid online presence. A professional website and active presence on social media platforms can attract new clients and showcase your portfolio. Seek out mentorship. Learning from experienced freelancers can provide valuable insights and guidance as you navigate your career. Remember to take breaks and recharge. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is essential for long-term success and happiness in freelancing. Don't shy away from feedback. Embrace it as a tool for growth and improvement in your freelancing journey. Diversify your skill set. Offering a range of services can broaden your client base and increase your earning potential. Prioritize communication. Clear and prompt communication fosters strong client relationships and leads to repeat business. Embrace the power of networking. Every connection you make could lead to your next big opportunity in freelancing. Consistency is key. Set a schedule and stick to it to build trust with clients and establish a reliable reputation. Invest in continuous learning. Staying updated with industry trends and honing your skills will set you apart in the competitive freelance market.